show you guys a handyman trick that I have used quite a few times, so let me show you what's happening. See this piece right here? This is to hold a bifold closet door on, and we had our carpet replaced, and so they removed the door, and when they went to put this piece back in, they realized that this was completely loose. So the trick that I'm going to show you guys today is how to fix that. Take your knife and your dowels and whittle a point on the end so that it will fit into the holes where the loose screws go. Now you want to take your sharpened wooden dowels and put them into the hole and tap it in with a hammer like this. And you want to break it off inside there. Okay, and you do that for each hole so that it fills it with wood. And you can do it more than once if it feels like the wood didn't fill up the hole sufficiently. And now you can see those are filled up, and now the screws have something to hold on to when you put it in with the drill. Okay, the last step is to drill the screws in to where you just put the wooden dowels. And now it's solid. Now you guys can see I put the door up and it seems to be working great. The dowels were able to strengthen those holes so that it can support the weight of this door. And it sounds like my next video needs to be how to make these hinges stop squeaking.